solve the triangle. They give you guys two angles in one side, and they're asking us to solve the triangle, which means that you need to be able to provide the rest of the pieces of the triangle. Two angles, we are looking for angle A. We have side B, so therefore we're looking for side A and side C. And once we find those three components, we have solved the triangle. We provided all the elements, those three angles and those three sides. Since they give you two angles, it is easier to find the missing angle first. We know that all three angles will be equal to 180, so we can subtract 180 minus 16.3 minus 111.6, and that will give me 52.1. So angle A will be 52.1 degrees. Don't forget your degree signs. Now, to be able to find one of those two sides, since they give me side B, angle B, and side B, I'll be able to use the law of sines. Let's go and look for A first. A is what we're looking for, over the sine of A, which is 52.1, equal to, we are going to use B, will be 36.9 over the sine of B, which is 16.3 degrees. I'm going to cross multiply, and I'm going to solve for A. A is equal to 36.9 multiplied by the sine of 52.1 degrees divided by the sine of 16.3 degrees. And I'm going to type that into the calculator. We have fraction bar, 36.9 multiplied by the sine of 52.1 divided by the sine of 16.3. And that gives me my A value, which is 103 point, and they do want a decimal point, so 0.7. .7. Now I'm looking for side C. So this is to find A. Now we're going to use the law of sines again, and we're going to find C. I prefer to use the angle B and side B that they gave me. So just in case I made a mistake in here, will not get carried over to my next transaction or equation. We're looking for C. C over the sine of C, which is 111.6 degrees, equal to B, 36.9 over the sine of B, which is 16.3 degrees. Now go ahead and cross multiply and solve for C. So therefore we have C is equal to 36.9 multiplied by the sine of 111.6 degrees over, and I'm going to divide by the sine of 16.3 degrees. And I'm going to go and type that into my calculator. Fraction bar, 36.9 sine divided by the sine of 16.3, which gives me 122.2. And I have solved the triangle. I provide all three angles and all three sides.